Hello and welcome to this video where we will be discussing the differences between ABS and polycarbonate luggage. When it comes to choosing the right luggage for your travel needs, the material is an important factor to consider. In this video, we will be looking at the pros and cons of ABS and polycarbonate luggage to help you decide which is the right choice for you. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. ABS and polycarbonate luggage have different designs due to the materials they are made from. ABS luggage is known for its hard shell design, which is often more rigid than polycarbonate luggage. This makes it more prone to cracking when exposed to heavy pressure. However, the hard shell design of ABS luggage also makes it more resistant to scratches and scuffs. Polycarbonate luggage, on the other hand, has a more flexible design that can absorb impact better without cracking or breaking. The flexibility of polycarbonate luggage makes it more resilient to damage during baggage handling or when you accidentally drop it. Both ABS and polycarbonate luggage are known for their durability, but polycarbonate is considered to be the more durable of the two. Polycarbonate is a highly impact-resistant material that can withstand heavy pressure and is less likely to crack or dent. It is also more resistant to extreme temperatures, making it less likely to warp or deform. ABS luggage is also durable, but it can be more prone to cracking and denting over time. However, ABS luggage is less likely to shatter if dropped, making it a good option for air travel. ABS luggage is generally lighter than polycarbonate luggage, making it easier to carry and maneuver. This is because ABS is a less dense material than polycarbonate. However, this doesn't mean that polycarbonate luggage is heavy. In fact, polycarbonate luggage is still relatively lightweight compared to other materials such as aluminum or leather. The weight of the luggage will depend on the size and brand, so it's always a good idea to check the specifications before making a purchase. ABS luggage is generally more affordable than polycarbonate luggage, making it a popular choice for budget-conscious travelers. However, if you are looking for a high-quality and long-lasting option, polycarbonate luggage may be the better choice in the long run. While polycarbonate luggage may be more expensive upfront, it is likely to last longer and require less frequent replacements. It's important to consider the cost of replacing luggage over time when making a purchase. Both ABS and polycarbonate luggage are available in a variety of colors and designs. ABS luggage is typically available in a range of bright colors and patterns, making it a good option for those who want to stand out. Polycarbonate luggage is often available in more neutral colors, such as black or gray, making it a good option for those who prefer a more classic look. It's always a good idea to choose a color and design that you like, as this can make it easier to spot your luggage on the baggage carousel. Overall, the right choice between ABS and polycarbonate luggage will depend on your individual needs and preferences. It's important to choose a high-quality option that can withstand the wear and tear of travel and provide you with a hassle-free experience. Whether you opt for the durability of polycarbonate or the affordability of ABS, a high-quality luggage option can help you travel with ease and peace of mind. We are almost wrapping up. These are the common differences between these two. Hope you like this video. Please comment, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos.